This will be an unboxing of the Huawei Honor View V20 or the Honor V20, whatever you want to call this phone. It says V20 on the box, so we'll go with that. So you can see Honor V20 on both sides, QR code right there, Honor on top of the box, and some information here. So you can see this is the 8 gigs of RAM version, 128 gigs of storage. So you can see. So let's just go ahead and dive in. Ordered this a while back. Took a while to get here, but now it's on my table. So we'll just have a quick look. Get that plastic off and let's open this. Ooh, very nice. Little tab here. Pull the phone out, and here it is. Little red contrast there on the sticker. It's kind of interesting. So you can see the hole punch camera right there. Galaxy S10 will have the same kind of design. Ooh, check that out. Very nice. You can see the V pattern right there. I dig it. We'll put the phone to the side for now. Actually, we'll turn it on. There we go. As that's booting up, let's see what else we get in the box. Some decals. We have this. And in here should be our clear case. Yup. Got some, whatever this is here, pamphlet, more books and stuff. And this documentation. And here's the clear case. Take a quick look. There you go. Simple clear case. On the inside, to have a little bit of a pattern so you don't get that bubbly effect. Every phone should have a clear case with it. And here's the SIM ejector tool. Not gonna take it out. And what else do we get here? We have your, is this a supercharging brick? Yes, it is. Huawei supercharged brick right there, so you can see. And your USB cable. And I believe that's it in the box. Put all that to the side, and here's the phone. Let's remove this. Whew! So satisfying. And then we're gonna take this off. Nice. And we don't need this sticker. Take this off real quick. And put this to the side. See, I'm just gonna put it here for now. And we have another sticker. My gosh. We don't want any of this stuff on our phones, so we have to remove it. Put this to the side. There you go, put it right there so you can see. And here it is. Beautiful blue color. Let's check out this V kind of reflection here. Let's see if you can get the light to hit it a certain way. You can kind of see it right there. Do you like that? Fingerprint scanner back here, Honor branding, AI vision. Got your cameras back here as well. And let's see, hole punch camera. And the phone does come with a plastic screen protector pre-installed, so that's nice of Huawei. Every phone company should do that. Headphone jack, some sensors there. USB Type-C, speaker, microphone, power button, volume rocker. Feels really nice in the hand, gotta say. All right, so let's breeze through the setup real quick. Now I cannot read this. Where's the English? Here. English, where are you? English. English. United States. Might have to scroll all the way down. US. Here we go. Murica. Get started. What if I disagree? Nope, it won't let me. Okay. Gotta agree to that to click next. Insert SIM card. I don't have that right now. We'll just skip. Go ahead and choose my Wi-Fi. and I'm going to type in my password. And we are connected to Wi-Fi. Next. Huawei ID, we're going to skip the Huawei ID stuff for now. Cloud, skip. I don't have a Huawei Cloud, skip. Huawei Pay, that's a new one. Didn't know Huawei had a pay. Set up later in the Huawei wallet. Activate your Huawei membership. We're not going to do that right now, later. I just want to get into the phone. Device protection, set fingerprint ID, face unlock, and the password. We're going to skip that for now. I just want to get into the phone. Enable all enhanced services. Okay, what if I just not click any of that? Next. Keep your software up to date. Continue. Data import. We're going to just finish. New navigation gestures. Okay. So just watching the animation, that's how you swipe around. Okay, next. To go home, you swipe up from the bottom so you can see in the animation. But I'll probably just go to the navigation bar, but it's pretty cool. Recent tasks, that's how you do it. From the bottom as well. Next. Use 3-key navigation because I'm old school like that. And we are in. Nice and smooth so far, right out of the box. You have a lot of apps here though. My gosh, what is all this? Go to settings, let's see what Android we get. Let's go to system right now. And we'll go to the about phone. Honor V20, and we get Android version 9, so you can see what happens. Okay, here we go. Android Pie out of the box, which is great. Carrying 980 on this one, 8 gigs of RAM. Now, can you guys see this? I'm gonna adjust the brightness a little bit so you guys can see a little bit better. Here we go. Cool. So let's go ahead and mess around with the fingerprint scanners. Just check that out real quick. So let's see. Where's the fingerprint scanner? I don't know, so we'll just search for it. Activate English? Yeah, sure. Agree. Well, what is all this? Okay, English, I guess. I'm gonna disable one and choose English. Okay. QWERTY. Wow, what is all this language stuff? Disagree to that. Oh, the keyboard's in Chinese. Okay, anyway. Whoa, it's like a T9 keyboard. Wow. Where's my QWERTY at? Okay, let me mess with it. Let me mess around with this and figure this out. Got the QWERTY keyboard. So I'm gonna go ahead and type in fingerprint. Let's see. Let's go to fingerprint management. There we go, I found it. Lock screen pin first, we just put a bunch of zeros. Don't really care. And roll fingerprint. All right, so the fingerprint's on the back of the phone. So we'll just do this real fast. See the speed of the scanner. So you can see. Now this is not your in-display fingerprint scanner or anything like that. So looking forward to that, to the Galaxy S10. Okay, now the edges of my finger. Successfully enrolled. So fairly quick on the fingerprint scanner. So we'll test that out right now. Screen's off and nice and quick. Do that one more time so you can see. Boom, nice. Let's go ahead and do a test shot of the camera. Let's see, open the camera app right now. And switch camera modes, okay. Just a little bit of how-tos. GPS tag, we'll do that later. And here we go, we'll take a shot of the box. And we'll just do it like this. Portrait mode or like portrait orientation. There you go. And then let's take a look at the shot. Okay. Try to zoom in here. Nice and sharp so you can see. Let me know in the comments if you want me to do a camera comparison with this phone. Like Galaxy S10 coming up, iPhone, etc. And this phone does have the pinhole kind of design here on top so you can see. Which I gotta say, on a single lens front-facing camera, I don't think I'm gonna mind it as much. But if it's a dual lens, like the upcoming S10, that might bother me a little bit. Obviously, it takes up much more of the display up front, but we'll see. I don't have that phone yet. Check out that back though. Nice. Do have some phones here we'll compare it to just real quick. 6T, so you can see. Quick size comparison. There you go, on the display. Turn on both displays. And we have the iPhone here. Whoops. So you can see from the sides, from the back. There you go. So let me know in the comments below what you want me to do with the Honor V20. Speed tests, camera tests, etc. versus OnePlus 6T, iPhone XS Max, Galaxy S9 and the upcoming Galaxy S10, Galaxy Note 9. Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.